Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel. Guys, I'm Raycasting, Unity game developer, YouTuber and blogger. So in this video we are going to learn that how we can interact with the UI in the Unity XR. Basically we have done tutorial for the Meta XR, so people were asking that how we can do in the Unity XR. So it is most simplest thing in the Unity for the VR, because in Unity XR we just follow the simple steps and we are able to just able to interact with the canvas by ray, or we want to just click anything, or just we want to show any text. Start the today video. If you're new on the channel, make sure to subscribe the channel. If you want to support me, so you can join, or you can just become the my Patreon and also grab any samples from my Patreon page. And you can also check out me on my LinkedIn profiles, where you can directly chat with me, or you can join my Discord channel to ask any questions. So let's start the today video. So in this video I'm going to share with you that how you can create the canvas. So in my previous tutorial I am doing one series on the UI, so I have shared so many stuff, but currently I'm just starting from a very basic. So as you can see, it is a UI and there are already so many UI. So what I have to do, I have to just create the canvas first, otherwise my UI will go in other canvas. So here is the canvas here, but we are not able to see. So take one panel, and here we have one panel. So here you can see most of people don't know about how we can create the UI in the VR, but in VR you have to use world space. So just do the world space. It is the simplest thing, and here you can see X, Y, Z. So there are so many values. So just do the reset thing, and here we are. Currently it is a really big. We want to change the directly panel, we want to change the canvas. So make sure everything is great, and now you have to click this scale button. So now you can see we are able to see our canvas. Okay, great. So just do a little above the panel, you can change according to your requirement. So let me do this and doing this, and currently we can change the color. You can, if you want to see this side, so we have to see the rotation, so we can change this rotation. So change the canvas, and here we want, so we can take one button. So here is the UI, and we can take the button that is the text mesh pro. Okay, and you can just play with the value. So just, so now we have the button, and I'm not going to do a proper UI, you can just manage, but I'm sharing with you that how you can take this value. And if you are going to run this, so it will not work. So basically if you want to work with the ray, that it work with the UI, so we have to check that on your XR rig. So if you are using older version, so here will be XR ray, and if you are using the latest version, so here we will get ray interactor. So make sure that you have the ray interactor, and if you want to direct interaction, so make sure you have the direct interactor. Okay, so this is for the ray tutorial. For the direct we will do in the future, and this is for left, so make sure it is on the right also. Second step is search for event system. So if it is your newest project from the Unity, so there will be something different. So here you have to search 8 component, and here you have to add XR UI input module. If it is there already, so there is no any issue, but if it is not, so you have to search and add. So make sure this component is there, XR UI input module. And second thing and third thing what you need, so on your canvas there should be, if you want to interact, so there should be tracked device graphic raycaster. So if you have this component, so currently now you are able to perform the click on the button. So you can just run and it will work 100%. I have tested many times, so there is no any issue that it will not work. So hope you enjoy. There is a basically this thing, track device graphic raycaster, and you have to also check on the event system as well. You have to also check on the UI XR rig that you have the ray. In case you don't have the ray, so there will be one issue. So that's it for today tutorial. Hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day, and check me out on my YouTube channel. There are lots of tutorial for the VR normal application, lots of learning, so you can check out my YouTube channel. So bye bye, take care, see you in next video.